AI tools are a game changer, aren't they?
Absolutely. They enhance efficiency, automate tasks, and boost productivity.
Plus, they analyze data faster, providing valuable insights for smarter decision-making.
And the personalized experiences they create, whether in customer service or content recommendations, are impressive.
How to create multiple avatars in one scene with Colossian. Hey everyone, welcome to Learn to Earn Minds. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of creating multiple avatars in one scene using Colossian. It's a super fun and creative way to enhance your projects, so let's jump right in. Firstly, we will type Colossian AI in the search bar and click on the website that appears first on Google. The interface will open and we'll click on Login. If you don't have an account, sign up with your Gmail account. Since I've already created my account with Google, I'll click on Continue with Google. Then, the home page will open with different options such as Home, Draft, and Generated Videos. In Generated Videos, where the videos we generate will be displayed, and templates, etc. Now, let's click on the avatar, and a variety of avatars will be displayed. You can select any avatar from here. I'll select this avatar and click on it to create a video with this avatar. The interface for creating the video will open with various options like Start with Scratch, Prompt Video, and select a template. However, I'll choose Start with Scratch. The interface will open and we aim to create multiple avatars. First, we'll adjust this avatar. Then we'll click on Script. Here, we click on Conversation and then on Add Avatar. Then click Select Avatar. Many avatars will be displayed, and you can select any one, but I'll choose this one. Now we adjust this avatar. Now, we want a conversation between two avatars, so we need to write their dialogues one by one. You can delete a script that's already written and write your script. I've already written their conversation in my notepad, so I'll copy and paste it. First, I'll copy Mia's dialogue and paste them here. I'll change Sarah to Liza. Now, I'll copy Liza's dialogue and paste them here. You can write as you prefer. Click Add and again select your avatar. Now I will again copy Mia's dialogue. And paste it here. To enter Liza's dialogue, click here. Now we again select Avatar. And copy Liza's dialogue. And paste here. Afterward, review it to correct any spelling and grammar mistakes. You also can apply and change background from here. You can select any color. You can select any image for background. There are so many feedstock images. There are also many video for background. I select this one. You can choose any shape, media, text, music, and templates. You can preview your video from here.
Hey Lisa, have you tried using those new AI tools at work?
Oh, hi Mia. Yes, I have.
Now we will click on Generate and then click on Start Generation. this process will take time. After a while, your video will be ready. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more content, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if there's anything else you'd like to learn. Until next time, happy creating! Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!